Hey, what's happening, YouTube? It's the Top Hat Guy, and today I want to discuss how at the end of the video I usually have an entertainment segment where I'll play my guitar, play a song for y'all, and well, my intro video just it was in the middle of the night and I didn't want to wake up the house, so I wasn't able to do so. So well, then today I was sitting here and I was thinking about this conversation I had with my little brother, and how some of his dreams, like his biggest dream, was he wishes that he was born in the age of planetary discovery, where we're just going through and just civilizing the stars, if you will. Obviously not on stars, but you know what I'm talking about. And well, you know what? I sat there and I thought, why don't he go and do it? Or better yet, why don't I go and do it? Because I know I can do it. Because I know you can do it. Because any human being in this world can do whatever they put their mind to. I believe that full-heartedly, and it's been proven time and time again. Now, this might just be a biased thinking from me living in North Carolina with us first to flight and all, but you know what? That invention on its own right proves humankind can do anything we put our mind to. And that is why, that right there is why I will be one of the first people to create the diagram, the blueprints, and ride the very first hoverboard, while I will help scientists figure out the first working superconductor in room temperature, and why I will be the first of many scientists to help in SpaceX on learning how to get a fully reusable orbitable heat shield. And more importantly, this is why, for my little brother, through my whole career in my life, I will keep on researching, keep on trying to educate myself more and more until his dream of planetary exploration comes true. And I know these sound like crazy dreams, but dreams to me are nothing more than memories that we just haven't got up and made possible yet. And if that talk of dreams don't inspire you enough, hopefully this song will. No dream is like a river, ever-changing as it flows, and a dream is just a vessel that must follow where it goes, trying to learn from what's behind you, and never knowing what's in store, makes each day a constant battle, just to stay between the shores. And I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry, like a bird upon that wing. These waters are my sky. I never reach my destination if I never try. I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry. Times we stand aside, let the water slip away. What we put off till tomorrow is now becoming today. So don't you stay up on that shoreline and say you're satisfied. Dare to dance them rapids and dare to dance that tide. I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry, like a bird upon that wing. These waters are my sky. I never reach my destination if I never try. will sail my vessel till the river runs dry. There's bound to be rough waters, and I know I'll make some falls, but with the good Lord as my captain, I can make it through them all. 'Cause I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry. Like a bird upon that weekend, these waters are my sky. I never reach my destination if I never try. I will sail my vessel, the river runs dry. Yes, I will sail my vessel till the river runs dry. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.